Kobelco has unveiled the all-new Kobelco SK19 mini excavator. The new model replaces the previous SK18-1E and delivers superior performance thanks to its bigger engine, new hydraulic system and newly designed working equipment. A Yanmar Stage 5 compliant engine delivers a 38% increase in power, 13.1 kilowatts compared to 9.5 on the previous model. Bucket digging force is also up from 15.2 to 16.7 kilonewtons, while travel speed, digging reach and digging depth are also improved. The width of the undercarriage is 980 mm when retracted. It increases to 1,320 mm when extended for greater stability. The compact tail swing provides operating efficiency in confined spaces, while the boom swing angle is 12% wider than on the previous SK18-1E. I am Reg, your roving robot reporter.